There's one more thing I really must tell you. This vehicle comes with a full 3-year warranty from Sussex Campervans. Let me introduce you to the Nissan Eleganza, built by Sussex Campervans. New this year, this vehicle really does tick a lot of boxes for a lot of people. Let me show you why. First of all, let's talk about the vehicle. We've got 5 belted road seats, comfortable, big enough for adults. Got a fantastic driving experience. These are petrol automatic vehicles. They're so smooth and light and easy to drive. They are 100% ULEZ compliant. This is a really luxurious interior. It's a great space to be. There's proper seats for 5 adults, and these seats adjust everywhere imaginable, forwards and backwards, and recline. They can even turn around. There's armrests and footrests that pop up and down. It's a really comfortable place to be, and it really does qualify as a car replacement. So this could be your only vehicle. But of course, the whole point of the Eleganza is it's so much more than a car. This is a camper van too. It's got an elevating roof, and it's got a full kitchen interior at the back. Let me show you. So the Eleganza truly is an indoor and outdoor vehicle. You see, you can stand under here and reach to get food and prepare things, no problem at all. We even put charging points and 12-volt power at the back here as well. There's space under here for a standard porta potty chemical toilet to fit, and some useful cupboards. This one can be accessed from inside and from outside. Water lives in here, as does the charging and the electrical system. And we put in the same quality equipment we put in every Sussex campervan. 4 or 5 people can sit in the back here to relax and to eat. There's a gas hob which will lift out. This is a standard cassette gas cooker you can buy refills for anywhere. There's a great top loading fridge here too. And the beauty of this fridge is it lifts out. To take the fridge indoors, simply lift it off its shelf, grab the carry handles, and you can take it anywhere you want to go. And you can take it into the house to load. We supply you with a mains power supply as well as a 12-volt connection for in the vehicle. We've got a neat sink to wash up with here too, and the tap even pulls right out, so you can wash your feet off or wash down after a surf or even wash the dog. The electricity is controlled on this panel. We've got USB charging points. We've got cigar lighter charging, and all the switches for the lighting and other circuits within the vehicle are controlled here. We've got mains power as well. There's a power socket down here. At night time, all of this space drops down into a spacious double bed, and we have an optional roof bed you can have as well. Another great feature is these seats can be used rear facing for travel as well. There's additional seat belts. There's one more thing I really must tell you. This vehicle comes with a full 3-year warranty from Sussex Campervans. Unique to us, we have our own aftercare department, we have a fleet of courtesy cars, we will look after you. Habitation servicing every year, mechanical servicing, the whole package. So there it is, the Nissan Eleganza. What do you think? Do you think it's got your name on it? Is this part of your campervanning future? ULEZ compliant, easy to own, comfortable, drivable? Book a Zoom call so we can show you it in person. Just click the link under this video and then come down and see us. We'll get you booked in. We'd love to welcome you here at Sussex Campervans. Speak to you soon.